Hello students, this video has a lot of important science fair information, so make sure to pay attention. So first things first, science fair is on March 12th, Friday. This is 1 week away. Now, many of you are still at materials and procedures and have a lot of way to go. If that's you, you have a lot of work this week. So science fair is on March 12th, this upcoming Friday. Now, you must do, every single one of you, if you want to pass science, you must do all of your Canvas assignments. So that's from the question hypothesis, all of that science fair, all of those assignments that are on Canvas, you have to do those to pass science. They're worth too many points for you to avoid doing them and still pass. So you have to do those. Now, after you've completed all of those assignments, so let's say you're at the abstract, which is, where we should be right now. You've finished your abstract and it's finalized and good. Then you can consider coming to science fair. So you need to pass all of those other assignments though. So let's say you got zeros on all of the assignments up to this point, and you want to do science fair, well, you're gonna have to redo all of those, because if you got a 0, it means that, what do you think is gonna happen at science fair? I mean, it's not gonna look too well. So you'll have to make sure you have passing scores on all those assignments up to the abstract, and then you can decide if you want to do the science fair. So it's optional to present at science fair. What's not optional is doing all of the Canvas work. So you have to do all the Canvas work. You don't have to present at the science fair if you don't want to. But why would you want to present at the science fair? So here's some reasons why. One, you've already done all of the work that you have to do for it, really, all of the hard work. Meaning you've already done a question, hypothesis, materials and procedures list. You've already made a data table and a graph, and you've already written a conclusion. You've done everything. All you have to do now is cut and paste and put it on a board and make a report. And so you've already done the work. You put in so much work so far, so why not just go and present it? And also you can get some prizes for it. So if you go through the work of presenting, you can be entered to win prizes. You'll be entered to win prizes at Hojo, and if you win at Hojo, you can go to regionals. And at regionals, there'll be prizes and stuff there too. So that could be a really cool opportunity for a lot of you. Now, that's why I think you should do it. Also, so regionals is only 6th and 7th grade. If you're in 5th grade, you can still present at Hojo, and we'll have prizes for 5th grade, but 6th and 7th have the opportunity to go to regionals. Now, if you want to come to the science fair and you want to see if you can make it to regionals, let me know as soon as possible. Also, if you decide to do science fair, you have to decorate a poster board to get to show off your work. So that's fun as well. So those are some reasons why I think that you should consider doing science fair. You've already put in all this work, and all that could happen is you get some prizes. Now, if you do decide to do the science fair, you need to tell me that you want to do that in the following quiz. So after this video, there's a quiz in the modules page. And in that quiz, I ask you if you want to present or not. And I ask you, if you do want to present, do you want to do a virtual or in person? The virtual presentations will be in the morning on Friday, March 12th, and then the in-person are in the afternoon. And the winners and everything will be announced in the afternoon. So that's important to let me know, because we need to make sure we have enough spots for everyone. We need to choose a place where we're gonna have the science fair based on how many of you want to participate. So you need to get back to me with answers to that quiz by Monday, March 8th. So that's only a few days. It's 2 questions. You need to get back to me by Monday, telling me if you want to present or not, and if you do, if you want virtual or in person. If you cannot get back to me by this time, I cannot guarantee that you will have a spot. Okay, Also, if you decide to do the fair, you'll be asked to write a report and put together a poster board. So those are 2 things that are coming for you. I will let you know the report is basically already written, because all that would be on there is stuff that I've already been asking you to do, like write your question, your hypothesis, your data analysis, all of that stuff. You've already done it. So you just have to put all that information into a document, and I'll show you the requirements for writing a report in a later video that will be coming out tomorrow on how to write a report. And you only have to write a report if you're choosing to present. This is optional. The report is optional, not the project. Everyone has to do a project. Okay. I will show you also how to format a poster board. So if you decide to do the science fair, you have to write a report and put together a poster board. If you need financial help on getting a poster board, let me know as soon as possible and we can help you out with that. In a later video posted either today or tomorrow, Friday, I will show you how to set up a poster board. Okay, so that is all of the important information for science fair. Remember, if you do not want to do science fair, you still have to do all the Canvas work up to the abstract. You have to do all of that. But if you're going to present, I think it's a great opportunity to show off your work and earn some prizes. So make sure to do the quiz that asks you if you're presenting or not, and if you want virtual or in person. Make sure to do that as soon as possible.